This video will show you how to use the Get3D Farm Lite. Part 1. Unpacking the device. The Farm Lite is stored in a case for easy transport and equipment protection. 2 diagonal wheels are equipped with brakes. Press the brake pedal to keep the case fixed in place. There are 4 latches around the case. Lift the latch plate, rotate 180 degrees counterclockwise, and pull it down to unlock. After unlocking all 4 latches, hold the central handle and lift the lid. Here is the Farm Lite unit. Accessories are stored in the foam layers at the top and bottom of the case. The accessories are as follows. On the front is the air inlet. On the left side are the Ethernet port, fiber optic port, and power port. On the back are the maintenance compartment and the air outlet for cooling and service. On the top are 5 nodes. They serve as the main operation panel for power on-off and device monitoring. The master node provides multiple ports for external devices and hot swappable storage. Part 2. Powering on. The Farm Lite must be connected to a power source. For outdoor use, a portable power supply is required. At the lower left side is the power port. First connect the power cable at both ends. Then switch the button upwards to avoid electric shock. Once powered, the fans will start spinning. After they stabilize, press the 5 node buttons one by one to power on. The monitor lights up, indicating a successful startup. It displays the device name, IP address, CPU and GPU usage, temperature, and other information. Part 3. Connecting external devices. Connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse through the master node. The hard drives support hot swap. Press the button on the drive bay, and the drive can be pulled out. To insert, place the drive inside and press down the latch to lock it. The monitor stand is included in the accessories. Open the 4 legs and place it directly on top of the Farm Lite. Use an HDMI cable to connect the monitor. The monitor can be powered either by the Farm Lite or with its own power adapter. The keyboard and mouse share a single receiver located at the bottom of the mouse. Part 4. Node access. Users must purchase and activate genuine Windows operating system licenses for all 5 nodes. The monitor is connected to the master node, so the other nodes are accessed remotely via VNC Viewer. Open VNC Viewer, enter the corresponding IP at the top, and log in with the account credentials. Each node's IP address, account, and initial password are provided in the user manual. They can be modified by the user. Use VNC to connect to the remaining 4 nodes. Once connected, you can run Get3D Mapper for cluster processing. For software usage, please refer to software tutorial and videos. Part 5. Shut down and power off. After use, disconnect the monitor, keyboard, and other external devices. Press the 5 node buttons directly to shut down. Wait until the monitor screen and power indicators are off. Then switch the button down to cut off the power. Unplug the power cable. Part 6. Repacking and transport. The monitor and stand go on top. Place the monitor first, secure it with the Velcro, then add the stand and foam board to fix them in place. Other accessories can be stored in the bottom slots. Place the keyboard and mouse in the middle slot. After placing the accessories, put the main unit back in. Lift the latch plate, rotate 180 degrees clockwise, and lock it down. Once all 4 latches are secured, the case is ready for transport. For more usage notes, please refer to the user manual. Thanks for watching.